Reading Pioneers is proud to present a fictional fable of Ptolemy Throck and Bobby Piptwich by Berenice Corney-Thompkins. Mr. Ptolemy Throck was perched upon a mossy stump. His pitter-patter hobnail boots could be heard by all, from the sparrows to the field marshes. Ptolemy Throck always saw to it that the morning's harvesting and wheat threshings was done as early as possible, before the first rays cast from the sun's glow. Before he tucked into his work, he tucked into his sandwiches, made of lettuce and cress. He prepared them the night before, so the flavors infused and the taste most appetitive. No sooner had he started than Bobby Piptwich fluttered down to see what was occurring. "I declare," said Bobby Piptwich, his eyes ample, "but do you have a spare sandwich to share?" Ptolemy Throck was surprised, less incensed. "I was of the understanding that a fellow was to bring his own sandwiches to luncheon, but I'm feeling of a charitable spirit today, Piptwich," he said. Bobby Piptwich found the encounter to most intriguing. "You would be of such magnanimous mind that you should bestow upon me a pudgy wedge." Ptolemy quacked. "I should be declared a march, hare, and unbalanced first. However, I'd gladly allow you to conquer to gain such a half-decker of my noon dinner." Bobby Piptwich fluttered closer. "I absorb. Of which such game were you of thought?" Ptolemy was a one. He had none such the game in mind, but he did have a wicked gift for the crafty. "Wusters! You take 9 sticks and 9 stones, and you must lay them in such a fashion that your opponent is left bare. I shall begin." Ptolemy Throck placed the first stone, then lay a stick across it, smirking like a befoxing jay-raven. "Now you must place a stick over mine, rest perpendicular with a pill-stone for support," he chuckled, "and lay 1 extra stone for the preceding," he hastened. "Oh, and prepare it so that you may joust to save yourself as victor." Bobby Piptwich was no mathematician, but he could smell out when he was being hoodwinked. He waited until Ptolemy Throck tended to his snack, and took a spare stone from underneath himself, placing it in his reserve. They played the game of Wusters for many a minute, until Ptolemy came down but to his last stick and stone. He observed Bobby Piptwich had in his possess a remainder that would procure him the coveted slice of snack. But Ptolemy was not only a crafty devil, he was also a devious sneak. In a moment of fortuity, Bobby Piptwich fluttered away behind Ptolemy's space, to which Ptolemy seized the opportunity to steal away a stone to save himself the grace of winning. Ptolemy Throck concealed the stone in his palm. "Well, Bobby Piptwich, it appears that you have been bested." "Not I, but you, Ptolemy Throck." Piptwich was licking his lips and smirking the smile of a contentious scoundrel, for he had purloined a sandwich half as Ptolemy was cheating the game. "You devious imp! I shall expect a rematch tomorrow at dining time midday," he jostled, chuckling, "and bring your own sandwich to lose." "Naturally," Bobby Piptwich retorted, "and do pack an extra one yourself, Ptolemy. I should fancy that I might be better at Wusters than I first imagined." Ad Medum. Thank you, readers, for joining us today with a story, a fictional fable of Ptolemy Throck and Bobby Piptwich. Berenice Corney-Thompkins provided me this book, and it was such a fun read. When I was a child, I read a story called Frog and Toad, and after reading this book, Ptolemy Throck and Bobby Piptwich remind me a lot of Frog and Toad, not only from an artistic standpoint, but also from the type of friendly rivalry that they have with each other. I also appreciated this book's writing style as it had a sort of Victorian-era composition to it. So if you enjoyed the book, please give this story a thumbs up down below, and you can check out Berenice's actual website, fictionalfables.com, as well as visiting the Amazon link in the description box below to get your hands on this story for yourself, or maybe even as a gift for the holidays. I'm very thankful for other authors coming to me to read their stories. If you have a story you would like for me to read on this channel, you can send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, and hopefully we can get together and share your story with others. Unfortunately though, this is all the time we have for today's video, so as you're waiting for the next upload, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can be notified, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Over here on the left are other stories by authors who have shared their stories with me. And over here on the right is a story that I've written that I think you'd enjoy as well. Thanks again everyone for reading along with us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.